Are you ready to learn together?
Welcome, welcome, everyone is welcome, everyone is welcome. Welcome, everyone. We love our CoComelon Classroom. Come and learn with me.
Come on.
CoComelon Classroom.
Oh, hi. I see you. I'm your teacher, Miss Appleberry. Miss Appleberry. Look at these animals. These animals live on a farm. There's a horse. Neigh. There's a sheep. Baa. And there's a pig. Oink, oink. Did you hear that sound? There it is again, a moo sound. Shh, if we're quiet, maybe we'll hear it again. I think I know where our moo sound is coming from. It's coming from our melon learning box. Shall we look inside and see what we find?
What's inside?
What's inside?
What's inside?
What could it be?
What's inside? The melon learning box.
Let's look and see. This was making that moo sound. Can you guess what it is? It's a farm animal. It has 4 legs. It's white and black, and it goes moo. Do you know the name of this animal? It's a cow.
Moo.
It's JJ.
Hey. Moo.
I think we have another little cow in the classroom. JJ is pretending to be a cow, just like Mrs. Cow. Moo.
Hello, Mrs. Cow. Moo. Miss Appleberry, I love seeing the cows on my grandma and grandpa's farm. They moo and swish their tails. Moo, swish, swish, moo.
JJ's right. Cows do live on farms with other animal friends, like the horse, the sheep, and the pig. Did you hear that? I think there might be another cow inside the barn doors. Do you want to see? There is another cow. Moo. You know, when I hear the word cow, the first sound I hear is a k sound. K, cow. Cow begins with the letter C. C for cow. K, 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 k.
Moo. Miss Appleberry, let's pretend to be cows together.
That's a great idea, JJ. Why don't we swish our tails and moo some silly moos? Your turn, JJ.
Moo.
Now your turn. Moo.
That was very silly. Being silly makes me laugh.
Laughing always makes me feel happy. Isn't it fun to pretend to be animals?
Ooh, I know a song where we can pretend to be all of the animals on our farm.
I know that song. Why don't we practice? Horses make the sound.
Neigh, neigh.
Sheep make the sound.
Bah, bah.
Great, and cows make the sound.
Moo.
We're ready. Let's start this song with a loud, horsey neigh, neigh.
Neigh, neigh.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now for the sheep, get ready to baa.
Bah, bah.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa-baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now it's time for your silly moos.
Moo, moo.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And
being silly with me.
Did you hear that sound?
I heard it, Miss Appleberry.
That's the school bell, which tells us it's time to go home for today.
Oh, but I can't wait to see you again. Thank you so much for learning with me today.
I had so much fun playing and learning with you.
Goodbye, goodbye, bye-bye to our CoComelon Classroom. Goodbye, goodbye, bye-bye-bye.
Whee!
Goodbye, goodbye, bye-bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Moo!